Hola everyone, Baron Bruno from Professionals FIJI Real Estate, coming to you live from Fantasy Island. This master planned residential and commercial community has been in the works for over 27 years. And I am now standing on another one of our great commercial land listings. This lot is 1,153 square meters, priced at 1.1 million Fijian dollars, just under $500,000 US dollars. One of the best commercial lots because it's right across from the main marina, bus terminal, and the Fijian cultural center that's going to be built out here. This is an epic opportunity for you and your business to be in front of people from all over the world. That's right. So to find out more about this incredible opportunity, go to professionalsfiji.com or call us at +679 999 2051. We look forward to hearing from you and telling you more about this listing and all of our listings available here in the beautiful country of Fiji.